Ever wished you could run an online store without buying stock, without packing boxes, and without even touching a single product? Well, guess what, you can. Welcome to Auto Dropshipping, your hands-free business model that works perfectly right here in the way. Here's how it works. You create your store. A customer buys something, and instead of you doing all the work, your supplier automatically ships it directly to the customer. No late nights packing orders. No renting warehouses. Just pure automation. Step 1. Set up your Shopify store. Choose a clean, professional theme. Switch your currency to AID or USD, and connect the way-friendly payment gateway like Paydabs, Stripe Atlas, or to checkout. Remember, a professional-looking store is your first trust signal. Now, you've got two options: international dropshipping using suppliers from AliExpress, CJdropshipping, or Zendrop, or local dropshipping where you work with way-based suppliers for faster delivery and even cash on delivery. Local is faster. International has more variety. Choose what works for you. And here's the magic: automation. Use apps like DSers, AutoDS, or Spocket. They let you import products in one click, sync stock and prices automatically, and send orders to suppliers without touching a single spreadsheet. This is where auto dropshipping really shines. Now, if you're serious about building a long-term business, make it official. Get your e-commerce license from Dubai Deed, Abu Dhabi Deed, or a free zone. And if you make over $375,000 a year, register for VAT. Trust me, being legal in the way market pays off. Here's the reality: shipping times matter. International suppliers? Expect 10 to 20 days. Local suppliers? Just 1 to 3 days with Aramex, Fetcher, or QuickUp. And yes, offering cash on delivery can literally double your sales here in the Emirates. Once your store is ready, it's time to get customers. Run Facebook and Instagram ads targeting way shoppers. Post viral TikToks. Work with local influencers. And don't forget, optimize for both Arabic and English keywords for long-term organic traffic. So there you have it, auto dropshipping on Shopify in the way your store runs on autopilot. You focus on marketing, and the profits roll in while you sleep. The only question is, when are you starting yours?